Hi, welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education. And Yourpedia Education पे we are running the series where I discuss with you some of the cases, some of the inspirational stories of all those students who have made it big, made it a good career, despite of all the obstacles, despite of all the problems in their life. The term failure actually does not exist. Failure is all mindset. If you think you fail, then you fail. If you think you don't fail, you are trying, you are attempting, you are proceeding forward. आप अभी चल रहे हो, you are in the process, and one day you are going to click, one day you are going to succeed, then there is no failure. So failure actually is a myth. Failure as a word is a myth. And those who accept this as a reality, it comes only to them. If you do not accept this failure comes to you, you say nahi bhai, you will not come to me, I will not accept you, I will not hug you, then it will never come to you. You understand this? Now today I want to tell you a story of one such achiever, I will say, who despite of all problem in her life made really big. I'm sorry, I do not want to share with you the recorded basically interaction with her because of some reason. Last time I had shared with you one recorded interaction with a student of particular community, SC community, and there were very adverse remarks given by many of the students. So these things hurt the sentiments of the students. Let me tell you, there was a girl who appeared in 2011 gate and could not qualify. Again, she appeared in 2012. Again, she could not qualify. Then in 2013, she lost her father, died. And then in 2014, her mother also died. There was bad time. It was going on bad time for her. And she was having younger sibling to take care. And family trouble were there, and she was forced to do some kind of job, teaching job or something. She kept on doing that to make herself her earning. But for a girl in the age group of 22, 23, 24, father, mother died and all, then 2015 she just qualified but could not get good course anywhere. 16 415 score, and that was with scheduled caste category, and 415 score is pretty good even for journal to get into IITs. She got into IIT, did her MTech from IIT Bombay in one of the interdisciplinary branches, got placed in one of the companies in Bangalore. From there she went to New York and got job in Goldman Sachs, one of the main financial companies in New York, presently in New York. you know uh, if you see this story, don't you think failure is a myth only? You nothing to worry from this. And why I'm telling you this story is because life gives you opportunities. At whatever stage you are, whatever trouble you are facing, whatever frustration you are having, whatever thinking you are having, life gives you opportunity. That is a beauty of life. So my request to all of you is that fear of failure actually exist नहीं करता. जैसे there's a ghost, there's a भूत होता है ना, तुम्हें लगता है यार यहाँ पे ghost है, there's a भूत देर, मतलब भूत है या चुड़ैल है कोई, ये भूत है कोई, तुम्हें डर लगता है उससे. So actually there is nothing like that. This is all mindset. So if you do not consider that, if you do not fear that, it will not haunt you. So fear of failure को निकालो. ये तुम्हारे 10 से 15 मार्क्स किसी भी एग्जाम में रिड्यूस करता है, आपका हटाता है वो मार्क्स. सो उसको आप रिमूव करो अपनी लाइफ से, एंड देन विदाउट फियर गो टू द एग्जाम वंस. विदाउट फियर गो टू द एग्जाम कि मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरा स्कोर कितना भी आए. आई हैव गिवन माय बेस्ट. मैंने अपना बेस्ट जो करना था वो कर दिया. अब मेरे को कोई भी डर नहीं है, मैं मेरा स्कोर आए ना आए, अगर इस जर्नी के थ्रू मैं यहां पे पहुंच सकता हूं तो यार क्या ट्रबल है. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर मेजोरिटी ऑफ यू की जर्नी ऐसी नहीं है. इट इज बेटर देन दैट ओनली. इतने ऑब्स्टेकल्स नहीं है. एंड शी वाज अ गर्ल फाइटिंग विद ऑल ऑड्स अगेंस्ट हर. थिंग्स वर नॉट मूविंग इन हर फेवर, बट यस, शी केप्ट ऑन प्रोसीडिंग. चले रहो, लगे रहो, एंड यू विल श्योरली रीच योर डेस्टिनेशन. तो अब डिसाइड वन थिंग कि कुछ भी हो डरना नहीं है. डरना नहीं है. फेलियर एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं है. दैट इज जस्ट अ मिथ, एंड आई एम टू गिव माय 100% and score high. I'm very sure you will get very good career and very good opportunities in your life. Life gives you opportunities. I'll keep on coming. Thank you.